straight into a Monday night video. What is it like? Oh, well, it's like kind of this. We're talking like toiletry bags tonight. Toiletry bags. It's not very exciting, Joff, is it? I thought I'd just put this video out there because last night Caroline said, are we still gonna carry on with them Isabella wash bags? And I'm kind of like, no, because we've had these. Admittedly, these have been really brilliant all the way through. Can't fault Isabella. It is. She said yours is starting to smell, and she is right. Oh yeah, it's a little bit grim because I sort of like, I'm a little bit rough and ready. When I go to the shower block, it's like, let's get into the bag, let's make a mess. Do you know what I mean? I'm spraying stuff all over the place. You know what it's like. Anyway, one of the big things that we had with these Isabella ones were the fact that the zips seem to get like very sticky. They're not easy to open anymore. They used to be, but not anymore. And obviously with the water going on, I think I did back along, give it a little bit of a, but look, it's really probably, yeah, you can probably say get some little dribble of like baby oil or something like Joff and you won't have any issues. But it does, when you're kind of like in the shower, you go to one of these shower cubicles on a campsite, something like that. So these guys, what we're talking about here actually, so we're in a motorhome. In our motorhome, what we've got is our toiletries in the bathroom, and then we've got our separate shower bags. So when we want to go for a shower, we just literally grab these bags, because they've got it all in there, all the sort of like double stuff that you've got in there as well, to save you on kind of like, right, I need that, oh, I forgot this, you know. So it's all in the bag, okay, and then like I say, mine's getting it's quite sort of like, I take a lot of stuff, do you know what I mean? I think Caroline's emptied hers out because she's just about to replenish it, so hers is looking a lot more slimmer than mine. But anyway, there's mine, and I kind of occasionally use different types of shower gel in the different moods. I go for a different smell. But anyway, so this was becoming a little bit awkward for me, and then obviously you open it up, and then all the stuff is sort of almost hanging out, like with the amount of stuff I've got in. So it's not, admittedly, it's probably just down to my organisation a little bit. It's got like an eye on the top of it that I've always like managed to hook on to something. So I love the fact that you can just go in, and then like if there's a little peg, sometimes I have to squeeze it over, like it's got a bit like ripped and stuff. But obviously hang it up in there, and then I've got toothbrushes. I normally carry a razor in there, and then just a load of stuff in there, like shower gel, like hair conditioner. We have shampoo. I've shampoo as well, and I've got a couple of different styles. In fact, that one's, oh, still got some in, yeah, still got some in, of Rituals body wash, and then a Rituals conditioner in there, because I love the smell of this orange stuff, but I couldn't get it the last time I went in the Rituals shop, which was a bit of a shame, because I do love that stuff. But and then there's a couple of little face creams in there and stuff like that. But yeah, so it's starting to get a little bit, you know, but as you can see, it's had a bit of wear. And what are we leading to? What we're leading to is, guys, these are gonna be, in fact, I just as well, oh, and that one there, look, that one there. So when that gets wet, it's got very corroded. Again, probably a bit of baby oil, yeah, okay. But let's get the toothbrushes as well, because we normally, like I say, toothbrushes, all the swag in here. I've got my little bit of face cream there. That's my moisturizer lotion. So I'm looking so young today. All that moisturising lotion. Yeah, I'm just gonna, and then I've got my little another one actually, because I carry quite a few of them. I stuff them in here, and then I just squeeze it out. I'm very and a little face scrub as well. So occasionally I'll give myself. So that is like totally empty now. But there, so there it is. The Isabella one. Getting a little bit redundant. Amazon have been today. I literally last night it was probably this time last night I actually ordered these, and I can't believe how quick, you know. Anyway, let's get into it. 2 boxes. Now then, various colours available, you know the score. Right, let's get into this, because I'm just gonna tear into it like, oh, so straight away, before we both had red, and obviously Caroline's is the clean one and mine's the real sort of like smelly grubby one, as you would expect. But look, Caroline's purple. I'll leave that for a minute and I'll empty this box of a red one, another red one. So let's take a look at this. This is D&D Wanderlust. So anybody that's kind of like looking for something like this, I thought I'd just chuck this video out. And you know, like I say, we're always kind of like showing the stuff that we kind of end up with. And 22 a bag. Let's have a look in this bag. Right, so right, so I've got a, oh, I see. So straight away, that's the, oh, little side pouch. Sometimes you sort of, oh yeah, so the zip straight away. Look at that. Oh yes. Let's just pull that zip right back there. And one thing that I liked about this bag is the fact that it's got this massive hook on the top of it, look. And by all accounts, it spins round. It literally goes 360. So wherever if your hook is like that way, for example, you can go there. Or if you are stuck, you want to go over the back of the door, the shower door. That's looking quite neat. That's looking okay. So I'm just getting my head around it. Hanging toiletry bag. Thank you for choosing D&D Wanderlust. Join the D&D club now. What do I get? Access to the sauna? I don't know. But so this is exactly what I'm looking for. And then, because it looked in the picture like I can start slipping things like that down the back and keeping it a little bit more tidier if I possibly can. So yeah, so they're going to fit in there. I'm just having a little look, getting my head around it. This, by all accounts, has got 7 different compartments. So we've got a little compartment down at the front there, and then we've got another compartment on the side, the same as the other side, with some little tiny elasticated kind of, almost, what would you put in there? Maybe like a, I don't know what you're going to be putting in there. So it's almost like, I don't know if a toothbrush would fit. Not that I want to put my, I don't know whether I'll put a toothbrush in the side compartment, would I? Let's see if it fits. No, the toothbrush is not going to go in there. But to be honest, I like the idea of this style. So it's all like waterproof. It's all like waterproof. Let's get my, got toothbrushes all over the place. It's all like waterproof, and the material seems quite waterproof compared to this one used to sort of like get wet. I used to get it wet. Oh, is there something still in there? What have I left in there, Joffy? I have still left a razor in there, because I normally have a razor in there as well. So yeah, and all the corrosion on them bloody, you see the corrosion on that, look, it's really been, so that's the end of that. So I got my razor as well. But yeah, I'm loving the fact with this hook, because like I say, over the back of the door, and you know what it's like in shower cubicles. Sometimes you get there and it's kind of like, right, I need to hang my towel there, I need to hang my dry robe there, and quite lack of like you know, hanging things sometimes. So going over the back of the door, the door is always going to be there. So this is perfect for getting on the back of the door, which I couldn't do that with this one. And obviously it's going to be up there, you can sort of still access it. And these are the, let's say about the toothbrushes, that is the kind of compartment where you'd be putting in your toothbrushes like that, look. And in there, that's all right, that's cool. And then let's see what else I can squeeze in to these. I wonder if I can get my shaving foam in that one then. Let's see if that'll go. I think that's going to happen. Shaving foam, body wash. Then I've got my... See, I don't, in all honesty, I don't, but I do like to sort of take, they're going to be a bit bigger, but they're going to fit in there, that way. They would go in there lovely like that, that's all right. And then possibly, I can put my razor in there, like that. And that's looking quite well organised, actually. And, yeah, so that one will sit in there as, this is looking good. Look at that. And then possibly, so we've got my little moisturising cream and stuff like that. So are they going to fit in the side? There's a little netty, oh, there's a little netty pouch, look. There's a little netty pouch for the face scrub in there and a bit of moisturising cream in there. I think I've got this sussed. I think Joffy is, and then will that one just pop in one of them elasticated? That's absolutely perfect. One of them will go in there as well. Look at that, look. It's all in there. And that's quite handy, being on that, so on the side, because, yeah, that's great. So I've got plenty of room in there. Absolutely. Chuck that bit of, I've got to use that up, I think. But so, well organised. I've still got that space down there. Which I normally, with my, I normally have a toothpaste in here as well. So I've got everything I need in one bag. That's going to be super handy. That's going to be nice. And like I say, when them scenarios where you want to hang it up over the, you know, on a door, a hanger, that is well organised. What do you think? In the comments. So I think that's kind of like basically me sorted. So that's how, let's see, so that it's got a little bit of Velcro there with the hook on. Let's slot that up like that, and then that's going to fold down over there like that. Oh, I've got a little zipper on the front as well, look. Let's see how this zips up now then. Let's see how this zips up around like that. Everybody's going to say, you've got far too much stuff in there, Joff. That's good. That's okay. Job done. There it is. Perfect. Another really good little thing, because now I've shut it all up. It's got a nice little handle there to carry it. And the other thing that I'm thinking about is the fact that normally I'm the one, lock the motorhome, take the keys with you. So I'm just looking at this compartment in the front. So that might be a perfect position to put the old keys in there. It's all in there. Keys to the motorhome, all my wash gear. All I've got left then is a towel robe and a towel to worry about. So that is pretty nifty. What do you think? And yeah, that's like I say, that's how we roll. I'll just show you the colour that Caroline's got. So Caroline, I'm actually not gonna get this right out. There you can see it. It comes in like a purple colour. That's really, really nice. She'll be over the moon with that. Absolutely over the moon with that. These are 9.5 inches high, I think. So you can just get a general, I'll put that back in. And then it'll be all excitement for her then. And yeah, so absolutely, you can sort of get a gist of the size. I will take her wash bag in as well, and then she can swap the gear over. We've got this little basket that we keep up in the top cupboard, and it's just one of them things that we just keep our separate wash bags up in the top cupboard, and then it's kind of like, whew, out they come. off to the shower block, no aggravation and messing around with oh, I've left that in, I've got to empty this out. I just don't like it. I just like to get all my gear in there, and then it's just hassle free. I'm off for a shower, give us my towel robe, I'm away, let's go. And that's the way to go. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video, guys. I will leave this video there. Only a short video, but like I say, I just want to do put this out and show people what the setup that we kind of like use, and all them little bits and pieces that we sort of get up to. It's just what we've kind of like done over the years, and yeah. And then keys back to the motorhome, lovely and dry, not fumbling around in my towel robe trying to like put you got your keys because it'll lock up depending on where the shower block is. You know what it's like. You know what it's like. So yeah, that's how to operate. Brilliant. How do you operate in your motorhome? Have you got one? Have you got like a separate wash bag, or do you take all your stuff with you? How do you do it? In the comments, and we look forward to reading a few. If you've got maybe a better system, a better bag than this. Is there a better bag than this? It's only a bag. It's to carry all your phones in your shower. But to be honest, last night I said to Caroline, "There we go, 22 quid a go. That is amazing. Delivered." Does the job. Amazon, link in the description of this video. Various colours available, we'll put the colours up, and it's only a shower bag. See you on the next one. Bye for now.